Hi, I'm Amy at EuroluxHome.com, and today I'd love to tell you about this gorgeous set of 6 antique hunting chairs. They're our item number 27-1, and these are so attractive. They are completely hand-carved in solid oak and date right about 1880. The height is up to the top of this spindle is 42.75 high. The width is 17.75 inches, and the depth, because the chair leans back a little bit, is 18 inches, and the seat height is 17.5 inches. So I just love all of these carvings. These with the carved oak leaves and berries all here through the center of the chair is particularly nice. And then you have this crisscross of these tree branches at the top. Now, if you're not familiar with the hunting style, which is a French style that started back in the 16th century, you might want to check out our hunting style video for more details. But on this set of chairs, I can point out these wonderful barley twist styles on each side, and then very nice carvings along the edge of the chair. Going down, we do have some straight legs and then more barley twist underneath. And these are hand-carved chairs, or hand-caned, I should say, sorry, chairs that are really in great condition. So if I can answer any additional questions for you, please feel free to reach out at 803-276-4001. But just imagine using these around your dining room for a holiday meal to impress your family and friends, especially if you love Victorian decor, or you could even work these in with a simple dining table and add a little bit more ornateness for a luxurious element in your dining room. Remember, EuroluxHome.com includes free shipping within the continental US and some places in Canada. But let me know how you would use chairs like this in your home in the comments below.